Best bedroom wall color design ideas. Civil MDS. Looking to transform your bedroom into a calm and stylish space? In this video, we'll explore the best wall color ideas for your bedroom, along with expert design tips, mood-based suggestions, and the famous 60-30-10 rule. Let's get started. Why wall colors matter. The color you choose for your bedroom walls directly affects your mood, sleep quality, and how spacious or cozy the room feels. A well-planned color palette can help reduce stress, improve relaxation, and make your room feel more welcoming and balanced. What is the 60-30-10 rule? One key interior design formula is the 60-30-10 rule. 60% of your room should be the main wall color, 30% should be your secondary color used in furniture, rugs, or curtains, and 10% is your accent color like pillows, wall art, or decor. This rule helps keep the space visually balanced and professionally styled. Or neutral wall colors. Let's begin with neutral wall colors. Perfect for small bedrooms or anyone who wants a soft and clean look. White. Bright, clean, and spacious. It reflects natural light and works with any furniture. Style. Cream, warm, cozy, and elegant. It softens the space and pairs beautifully with wood tones. Beige. Earthy and calming. Beige brings warmth without overpowering the room. Light gray. Cool and stylish. It's a modern favorite that works well in both light and dark. Themed rooms, pastel and muted colors. Now let's explore pastel and muted tones. Perfect if you want gentle color without overwhelming the space. Muted green. A soft olive or dusty green creates a grounded, nature-inspired atmosphere. Icy blue. Cool and refreshing. This shade promotes mental clarity and calmness. Great for hot climates. Soft gray. Lighter than standard gray. This adds elegance without being boring. Light sage. Earthy and soothing. Sage is often used in wellness or Scandinavian-style bedrooms. Pastel lavender. Dreamy and calming. It helps reduce stress and supports peaceful sleep. Blush pink. Gentle and warm. It gives your room a soft personality while still feeling modern. 6 important wall color tips. Here are some expert tips to avoid common mistakes when choosing wall colors. First, avoid bright colors like red, orange, or neon shades on walls. These can feel too energetic and affect your sleep. If you like bold colors, use them in curtains, cushions, or decor, not wall paint. Maroon is beautiful, but only in small doses. Use it on an accent wall only, not the whole room. If your furniture is made of dark wood, balance it with beige or cream walls to prevent the room from feeling too heavy. And always sample your paint first. Apply a small patch and observe it in both day and night lighting before finalizing. Accent wall color ideas. Want to make one wall stand out? Here are some great accent wall colors that add depth and drama without overpowering the room. Navy blue. Bold and calming, perfect behind the bed. Emerald green. Rich and luxurious, adds elegance instantly. Charcoal gray, modern and sharp, creates a bold focal point. Mustard yellow. Cheerful and energetic, great when used in moderation. Maroon. Deep and warm, great for one wall only, especially behind the bed. Recap and final tips. To summarize, use neutral or pastel wall colors for a calm, spacious effect. Follow the 60-30-10 rule for a balanced and polished look. Avoid full bright walls. Use bold colors only as accents. And always test your paint before committing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Civil MDS for more home design ideas and civil engineering concepts. Let us know your favorite bedroom wall color in the comments below.